Hi, Joanne. Today, let's get real about new topic of women at machinery industry. You know, for machinery industry, it has traditionally been a man-dominated field, and for women, we do face certain hurdles.
Definitely, there's a physical side of it. Men often have an edge when it comes to grueling travel or navigating certain regions where safety is a bigger concern for us.
Yes, plus most of our clients and engineers are men, and they have a shared language and like a natural bonding that comes quickly to them. But for us, it seems we have to work as twice hard to break into those circles.
Yes, definitely. Whether it's physical stamina, on-site troubleshooting, or just that technical intuition, the industry standard has always been male-centric.
Yeah, but for us, we also have our superpowers. Like we are more patient and we are more empathetic. I can share one of my experience. It's with an Indian client. He was flying to us via Dubai, and he has actually overslept in the airport. If I have not been sending him message, and after 2 days of his arrival, he signed a contract with us because he was so impressed by the level of care.
That's a perfect example.
Yes.
We tend to be the ones who triple check the contract terms, the product specs, and the lead times. We manage risks because we are looking at the fine print.
Yes, and we are also playing a long game because machinery sales is a long term, and we have endless follow-ups and after-sales follow-ups, and our persistence and our patience is actually our massive assets.
And our abilities to actually listen to what the client is worried about. We don't just sell, we solve.
Yes, at the end of the day, our soft skills are actually our strength. And this conversation has reminded me why I love what I am doing.
Cheers to that! Every woman holding her own in this industry deserves a seat at the table.
Yes, cheers. Hi, Joanne. Today, let's get real about women at 再来一遍，说错了。